How to create an account in CoverStar app. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I will be teaching you guys how you can create your account in CoverStar app. So before we begin, if you guys are new to our channel, head down below and hit the subscribe button so you don't miss out on our future videos. Also press the bell icon so you get notified whenever we release a new video. So now let's begin. First, to install your CoverStar, head over to your Google Play Store and simply search for CoverStar. After you search for CoverStar, this is the app right here. Simply install this. Now, this is a really safe TikTok alternative for kids, and you can use it for yourselves as well. After you've installed the app, locate the app and then open it up. After you've opened up your app, you can then go to your profile icon on the bottom right. And after you're on your bottom right profile icon, you'll get the sign up option. Tap on sign up. Now you have two options. One is to continue with Google, the other is with email. The really simple option here is to continue with your Google account. If you tap on it, you can then choose your Google account and you'll have set up your account automatically. Else, you can also tap on continue with email and go through with this. So type in your email address, create a username, and then enter a password. Then if you tap on join, you'll have created the account. So those are two ways. Let's continue with Google. After you select your account, tap on continue. And after that, you will be prompted back to the app and you'll have created your account. So let it load. Now create a username right here. Then select your birthday.